Okay, there's a question on what is IoT. What is IoT? IoT literally means Internet of Things, and the implication, the idea is that before now you can have access to the internet via your laptop, your mobile phone, your desktop, your tablet, and what have you. But the vision is to connect all devices, okay, with the power of the internet, to connect all devices. The implication is your AC in your house can be connected to the internet. So you can be wherever you are and know the state of your AC. That is it. Your vehicle can be connected to the internet, and you can be wherever you may be and you know the state of your vehicle. Your utensils in your kitchen can be connected to the internet. Your bedroom tools, your light, your fan, just name any device, and every device can be connected to the internet, and that will give you the data to know what is the state of your devices and how can you improve and what do you need to use. And it saves you the headache of having those devices or those tools failing when you were not probably informed, because you know the state of the device, and if there is an error on the device, you will be alerted before the error becomes a problem. And if there is an optimum performance you want your device to go, you will be able to know how your device is performing or are performing, and you will be able to optimize the result. Now, it really means that all these devices and many more devices coming up will be having access to internet connection, probably on a cloud drive where you connect all your devices to, and you'll be able to monitor how your devices are performing from a central port. It helps you and every other person to then utilize this information, this data, to improve whatsoever your goal is. Okay, you want to know how many foodstuffs are in the house before it's actually finished. You want to know how many dry cleaning or laundry stuff you have as you are using the clothing before it gets all dirty. You want to know how many, the routine based on availability of probably your location, the roadmap, and what have you. So every device is coming up to the stage of coming online and getting connected to the internet. That gives the users, we all using these devices, the opportunity of understanding and utilizing our devices in an optimal performance, because you know what is going on with your devices, and if your devices are not working, and you can easily reach out to support that. Yes, my camera has stopped at home, can the security help us check it out while you are in the office, and you will not be attacked while you are out of the house. So Internet of all things is taking internet connectivity away from just limited devices, your laptop, your phone, your tablets, but actually exploring other devices and connecting and availing other devices and other utilities of human proficiency to come online, so that all those tools and devices and technologies can actually be connected and can work at an optimal performance, and you as the owner and the user of that devices can also help know how your devices are working, what are the costs of this device, and how these devices can help. Now that is the front user benefit. For businesses, Internet of all things also go a long way to understand how many users are leveraging some devices and what are they leveraging on those devices, in order for you as a business owner to bring up what your audience would resonate with, because you have the data and you know what they are buying, you know what they are using in different houses. You then know this data, and you'll be able to now invest in improving what your users are using in order to improve your business. So when you see an advert on toothpaste or even biro, probably we have the device connected that shows that your biro usage has gotten to almost empty, and that is when you will now be seeing the adverts on the internet, adverts on your TV show, that they are viral package available for you. Okay, Internet of All Things has double benefits for the users to know what they are using and optimal performance of whatsoever they are using, benefits for the business owner to understand what your users are using of any of your devices, and to invest more in bringing more value to them, selling more to them on those tools that they are using. These are the basic introductory aspects, mindsets to what Internet of All Things can do. I wish you all the best, and if you have any other comments on this same matter, kindly put in this comment section. We really want to learn from you, and thank you.